Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to add an HTML header to your email in Outlook. There are a few ways, so stick close. Okay, so we're right here in the browser version of Outlook, outlook.live.com, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to the left, we're going to create a new email. So this is what it looks like, but we want to just open this window up. All right, so just for this, I want to remove this. Of course, you're going to have to add a recipient. You also will add a subject, and then we're getting into this section here. Now, if you have an external method, it might be easier, but if you are using the browser version, this is probably the easiest version. So what we want to do is you want to go and look for apps, all right? And you're going to go and look for the get add-ins. Once you've tapped on that, you will have a window open where you can actually search for applications or add-ins to add to Microsoft Outlook. Now, within the apps that are available here, you will find this Insert HTML by Design Modo. What you want to do is make sure that you've added it to your account, and on the right-hand side, you'll see it'll open up like this. Now what we need is our actual HTML file. So what we're going to do is, this is our HTML file, and what we're going to do is we're going to right click on inspect, and you will have all of these elements over here. Now this can be overwhelming, but it is really simple. All you need to do is locate the HTML section over here, as you can see, right click on it and click on edit as HTML. You can see all of the source code for this header or this image or the HTML file, and you can select all of this. So what we're going to do is make sure that our cursor is somewhere in this box, and you're going to use Control A on your keyboard and then Control C to copy. Let's go back to this email over here, and we're going to go all the way down to paste HTML. And right in over here, what we just copied, we're going to use Control V, and you're going to paste that text that you just copied. Over here, you'll see the Insert HTML. Let's go ahead and click on that, and you'll see that your HTML file is now embedded into your email.